Come on, bro, let me get the aux song, man. Alright, whatever.
You are now listening to Lint's Radio.
You're a cool guy.
I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I long to. Oh.
50-24, we threw down at every party. I was still on 19th with Mardo and Angie, sipping Captain Morgan and we spilled that tea like Boston. Lit up every function, I miss all that dumb shit. 2016, I was wishing for the fine things. Then the next year, his and lows was so bad of it. 2018, found redemption, man, I'm blossoming. Then at 23, thought I found love again, but shawty's caught a lying, man. Honestly, yeah. I hope she doing swell, man, this virus, yeah. Got me chopped inside my head, like violin, yeah. I'm a poster like Geppetto, feel like soldier, I'm a tell them,
I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I long to. Oh. I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I long to. Oh, yeah.
I ain't still that kid, grinding overtime with me. Back then, young Carl Rebel called me a G. I gotta get to not chef and OD, like what y'all need. Gotta know lock of the scenes, I do this with ease. I'm doing great, just look in my face. Yeah, I get whipped, but I'm feeling like Drake. I go her body and get me a chain. All of y'all care, just looking like Ken. Plastic, you just know my name. Homie ain't broski, now you ain't know me. Shout out to A-Way, texting the days. Now he in med school, I to get all these checks. Blessed, I'm on the next one. I don't fuck, I'm a N1. I ain't pressed, I'm so handsome. Y'all just tantrums.
If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I want to. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I want to. Oh, yeah.
Wait, what the heck? Come on, bro, let me get the aux song, man. Alright, whatever.
You are now listening to Lint's Radio.
What are you doing? What is
You're
this?
a cool guy.
I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I long to. Oh.
50-24, we threw down at every party. I was still on 19th with Mardo and Angie, sipping Captain Morgan and we spilled that tea like Boston. Lit up every function, I miss all that dumb shit. 2016, I was wishing for the fine things. Then the next year, his and lows was so bad of it. 2018, found redemption, man, I'm blossoming. Then at 23, thought I found love again, but shawty's caught a lying, man. Honestly, yeah. I hope she doing swell, man, this virus, yeah. Got me chopped inside my head, like violin, yeah. I'm a poster like Geppetto, feel like soldier, I'm a tell them,
I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I long to. Oh. I wanna see my baby soon. If the world is over, may I be a go-to. I wanna see my baby soon. It might be tough to show you, but you're the one I long to. Oh, yeah.
I ain't still that kid, grinding overtime with me. Back then, young Carl Rebel called me a G. I gotta get to not chef and OD, like what y'all need. Gotta know lock of the scenes, I do this with ease. I'm doing great, just look in my face. Yeah, I get whipped, but I'm feeling like Drake. I go her body and get me a chain. All of y'all care, just looking like Ken. Plastic, you just know my name. Homie ain't broski, now you ain't know me. Shout out to A-Way, texting the days. Now he in med school, I to get all these checks. Blessed, I'm on the next one. I don't fuck, I'm a N1. I ain't pressed, I'm so handsome. Y'all just can't
wait. What the